If you want a full body workout that's also low impact, then this workout is for you. Hello, gorgeous girl. Welcome back to my channel. And today I've got a great short, easy, and do anywhere workout that I know you're gonna love. And the best part is it's low impact too. So I do use a pair of 2-pound weights. So if you've got some 2-pound weights, you'll want to grab them now. It's not necessary. You can do this whole workout without using any weights at all. And it is low impact. So for those of you that like to protect their joints or just you don't feel like jumping right now, you're gonna love this workout. So let's get started. Make sure to stay to the end because I will meet you on the other side. We'll have a little chit chat and I'll tell you what to do next.
So pick up your weights if you're using them and just draw that knee in. We're gonna start right into that cardio blast here, okay? 30 seconds like this. Really dive it in. Dive it in, drive it in. Good. You never know what's gonna come out, right? Oftentimes it's just, I don't even know. Good. Really pull it in here. Woo. Good. That's it, that's it. Breathing. Pull that knee up. Okay, good. So now I want you to just go punch forward and punch. We're not flailing, especially if you've got the weights, okay? You want to make sure that you're working with control here, but if you don't have the weights, which you could absolutely choose to do this without any weights, you can go a little bit faster than I'm doing here with the weights, okay? You do you, baby boo. Do what works for you, okay? So I'm not flailing. It is a controlled punch, yes, at about the fastest speed that I can comfortably go, okay? Are you ready? Let's do that drive on the other side. Pull it in. 30 seconds. Good. Low impact does not mean easy. No way. Good. Breathe. That's it. We're still light on our feet here. Good. Perfect. We got it. Yes, yes, yes. Come on, stay with me here. 30 seconds sometimes feels like, whew, that's some time, right? Okay, good. Same thing. Punch and punch. Good. Control it. Now, obviously, when we're doing the toning part here, you can take down your speed a little bit, okay? If you want to, if you need to, right? You don't have to, but if you need to, that's absolutely okay. It's your body. You've got to take care of it, right? This is fitness for the long haul, not just like, gonna work out for a month. No way. Life. For life, it never ends. You'll never be done. Good. It's kind of true though. I mean, it's not kind of, it's really true. All right, so standing here, side lunge and in. And side lunge, ooh, and a leg lift if you want to. Side lunge, so either in like this or add that leg lift, okay? Really try to get level change here. Okay, makes a difference. Good. Chest is up. Few more seconds. You're definitely going to be feeling that outer part of your booty starts getting engaged here. Let's do one more. Okay, good. So now, undercut. Really squeeze the waist here. You don't want to feel this in your back. You do want to feel this in your arms, of course, but you're really working your waist. This is cinching in that waist, and it's fun, right? Any frustrations you have, really think of punching them away. Good. Breathing, yes. And of course, be careful if you've got weights. You don't want to punch yourself in the face. Sounds like something I would do, right? All right, let's do the other side. So side lunge, either step in or side lunge, lift, okay? Good. Chest is up. Level change here is so importante. Good. That's it, that's it. Woo! Breathing. Yes, yes. Come on, stay with me here. A couple more seconds. Good. Last one. Okay. Undercut. Good. That's it, that's it. Perfect. Good. Really squeeze that waist. You want to feel that rotation and how this is really targeting those obliques, targeting, wrapping around both the front and the back of your waist here. Those biceps are working, your shoulders are working, right? Good. Awesome. Couple more seconds, we got it. Okay, good. So from here, I want you to step back into a lunge, okay? I'll turn diagonally here. So step back and in, step back. This front leg, you're not letting the weight go into the toes or the ball of the foot on this leg, okay? We want to keep it back into your heels, okay? You're gonna feel that that quad is stabilizing you, right? That's a good thing, all right? You won't have jingly jangly thighs. So you can wear short shorts. Good, okay, this one's my favorite. It's like a rope is on the ceiling and you're just pulling and pulling and pulling. So we're getting our shoulders, we're getting our biceps, but we're also, of course, getting some waist working here. Really, think of pulling. Drive it down, good. That's it. Are you loving this? I sure hope so, breathe. Good, pull it down. Make it count, good. Okay, lunge on the other side, back and back. That's it, back and back. Good, whew. Feeling that quad getting its work on. Yes, chest is lifted here. Good. Keep on breathing here. Woo. Feeling that supporting leg, saying, hello, I'm doing it, I am doing it. Yes, I am. Breathe. Good, all right, rope pull down. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. Sometimes it's like the first repetition or two. Takes me a minute to go like, am I doing it right? Okay, but that's okay, that's normal. Good, whew. Breathe. How are we doing? Are you sweating? Are you smiling? Are you loving it? Woo! Breathe. Come on, we got it, yes. Good, awesome, good, okay. Perfect. How much fun was that workout, right? I just love doing low impact because you don't have to beat up your body in order to transform your body. In fact, this workout was a little sneak peek of one of our full-length workouts that you'll find inside my fitness membership and community, Total Body Transformation. I'll leave the link down here below. It truly is the place to be if you want to transform your body, you are a busy babe like me, and you really don't have a lot of time, and you want to get fit fast and for the long term, AKA meaning you don't want to do any of these crazy, unrealistic things that are out there. So click on the link down below because we would love to welcome you into our Transformer family. So if you're not quite finished and you want to do a little bit more, I recommend that you join me over in this workout next. We are gonna sweat, we are gonna smile, and the best part is this is a workout that's gonna help to keep your hormones balanced. So I will meet you over there next.